it is, our Bang Bang shrimp, and it is so good. Okay, this is our finished product. This is Chaparras of Regina's Kitchen. Welcome back to our channel. Ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo ang Bang Bang's shrimp. Very good as appetizer, and you will know how easy it is. And the kids, adult, any ages will love this. Tayo na! Sumama na kayo sa akin at nang mapanood nito. Okay, let's start with our shrimp. It is clean and washed and divine. By the way, I wash my hands, so I'm just gonna be not wearing a gloves for this, okay? So we have very good size, that's 20-30 size of our shrimp, okay? And I have 1.5 pounds of this, okay? And so we have, okay, we have the shrimp. Now we're doing the seasoning that we have. And I have the kosher salt, and I will be putting half tablespoon of this, okay? There it is. And a white pepper, okay? It's a white, and just half of tablespoon also. And we have also a granulated onion. Granulated garlic. We have to mix that. We can pour in our shrimp. Inside it. Put 2 tablespoons of our all-purpose flour. We will do the same. For the meantime, while this one is being marinated with that seasoning that we made, we will make our sauce. Okay. Same bowl that we have the seasoning, we can pour 1.5 of our milk, okay? And you can put 2 eggs. Just beat. And 1 more. Let's just put it in this container. So in case something wrong with our egg, there will be alarm. We cannot use it. It looks pretty good. Okay, so for a couple of minutes that we had this one, we can pour now our milk egg mixture in there. So we will continue marinating it. We'll make our sauce that goes with that, okay? So here we are, we'll put it aside. Okay, so we will make our sauce that will coat our, what do you call that, our shrimp later. And we need at least a cup of this mayonnaise. There you go. That's the cup. We will just remove that and using the same one. It's possible. You don't have to have many dishes to wash. And we have this. We have half a cup of our chili sauce, the sweet chili sauce, and this is half a cup that we have. Okay, and we can just pour it in. And the same thing, we can probably have only 2 tablespoons of sriracha. Sriracha is very hot. Okay, so if you want a little bit more, we'll just put 1.5 tablespoons of that. So in case somebody wants to try that. And we can have also honey, which is a good brand too, and 1/4 or 1 tablespoon will do it. Okay, to get our, and we can just go mix that. Mix it. Very good. And also you can taste it just to be sure that you achieve the one that you want, not too spicy or salty. We didn't put any salt because all the ingredients that we put is with their salt ingredients already. So okay, so that's what our sauce will be. We're making the breading. I'm using a potato starch, which is a good one for crispy result. Okay, so I'm putting at least half, and then we can put a little bit more, so it's 3/4 of a cup. Okay. You're asking me why it is the corn. It's not cornstarch. It's the potato starch, because potato starch is a good one for frying. Cornstarch is good when you're making gravy for thickening. Okay, so we'll just put a dash of maybe half teaspoon of our granulated onion, and a little of dash of our garlic, and also our black pepper. Then we can just go and just a little of our kosher salt, just a little bit. Okay, and then we can just go and mix all of those. Then we can put our shrimp, and leave it for at least 5 minutes or 10, so that you can have the coating is good. Okay, so for that one, we have mixed it again and coat it. Oh, smells so good with our garlic. Just leave it on one side. Now we're gonna fry this bang bang shrimp. So let's start heating our pan, and our sauce is ready for us. I think that's good to cover the shrimp. Hey, the oil is hot, so we're just gonna cook our bang shrimp. This one will have just not too long, it will be just in seconds. This one will be that. We cook. We can turn our shrimp. So doing this one, you cannot put a crowded shrimp in there because of our oil will, the temperature will go down. Okay, so you can flip it and press the golden brown. Yes, already. Bang shrimp. This is a very good appetizer for friends coming over. And for a couple of minutes, you're done. Easy to prepare. Okay. And then just put it on your rack. There it is. After frying, we can just go and wait to cool down, and we will put our sauce. And just turn it over. Five to 6 seconds, you can turn it over, especially if you have it set for high. Oh. And one more. Okay. Okay, now you will see what the bang shrimp is. It is good. Then we can coat it with our sriracha, our mayonnaise, and our chili sauce. Then we can just go put it in our plate, and we will start eating. Want to have more spice, a little hotter, you can just add Gotcha. You want a little sweeter, you can add the honey. Okay. If you have leftovers of the sauce, you can actually save it for the next time because it is so good. Just coat it this way. Let's coat our shrimp. You see how big this shrimp is? It is what I want, the big. Okay, this is our last one. Okay. We'll put it all here. Let's see. Ernest. Oh, I have the bananas here. And you can serve this one to your friends, family, and whoever coming to your house. It looks really good and tastes good too. So here it is, our Bang Bang shrimp, and it is so good. Okay, this is our finished product.